Streamlit versus Flet, which Python app framework is better? Choosing the right Python app framework can completely change how you build interactive applications without complex setups. Streamlit and Flet both offer unique approaches to simplify app development. Streamlit and Flet are two popular Python frameworks for building web apps. The core difference is Streamlit focuses on rapid data-driven app creation with minimal code, while Flet offers a more traditional UI approach with rich controls and cross-platform support. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework designed for quick and easy creation of interactive web apps, primarily for data science and machine learning projects. It works by letting developers write Python scripts that automatically generate web interfaces without requiring front-end knowledge. Streamlit apps update in real time as code changes, offering a seamless development experience. Its strengths lie in simplicity, fast prototyping, and strong support for data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Plotly. However, Streamlit has limitations in UI customization and complex multi-page app structures. It is ideal for data scientists, analysts, and developers who want to turn Python scripts into shareable web apps quickly without deep web development skills. For projects focused on dashboards, reports, or lightweight interactive tools, Streamlit provides a highly efficient solution. Flet is a Python framework that enables building cross-platform interactive applications with a rich set of UI controls similar to desktop and mobile apps. Unlike Streamlit, Flet uses a declarative programming model and supports complex UI layouts with buttons, text fields, lists, and more. It works by running a Python backend that communicates with a front end rendered in Flutter, allowing apps to run natively on web, desktop, and mobile platforms. Flet's strengths include greater UI flexibility, multi-page navigation, and native light performance across devices. Its main limitation is a steeper learning curve compared to Streamlit, especially for beginners. Flet is best suited for developers who need more control over app design and want to build fully featured applications that go beyond simple dashboards. It appeals to those targeting multi-platform deployment with a consistent user experience. Comparing Streamlit and Flet, Streamlit excels in rapid prototyping and simplicity, making it perfect for data-centric apps where speed and ease of use matter most. It requires minimal setup and is great for single-page dashboards or reports. In contrast, Flet offers a richer UI toolkit and cross-platform capabilities, ideal for apps needing complex interactions, multi-page flows, or native performance on desktop and mobile. The trade-off is that Flet demands more initial effort and familiarity with UI concepts. For example, a data scientist sharing quick visualizations would prefer Streamlit, while a developer building a polished multi-screen app for various devices might choose Flet. Both frameworks serve different needs, balancing ease versus control. Streamlit is recommended for fast, straightforward data apps and prototypes where simplicity and quick deployment are priorities without deep UI customization. Flet is the better choice for developers needing advanced UI features and cross-platform support, delivering native app experiences across devices. Selecting between Streamlit and Flet depends on your project's complexity and deployment goals. Ensuring the right tool fits your Python app development